The subject of today's video is the Google Ad changes for 2022. How to run an A/B test to see which of these new Google Ad changes works best for you. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup cost. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, let's get right into my Google Ads page here. And as you can see, let me go back to the program here. Ad groups. In this particular campaign, I have 2 ad groups. Slim T Pinned and Slim T Unpinned. Okay, now what do I mean by that? Let's go to Slim T Pinned. Oop. Let's go to Ads and Extensions. Okay, as you can see, this is my test for a Slim T Unpinned. For some reason, Google Ads has decided for 2022 that they like unpinned ads better. So all my headlines here are unpinned. None of them is pinned. These are all going to go willy-nilly here according to whatever Google Ads chooses. And also the descriptions are unpinned. So again, they'll show up in whatever order Google Ads wants. This goes against everything I've known in the past. I've been doing this a while, so this is really a step out in the darkness for me. So that's why I'm doing an A/B test, but apparently this is what Google Ads likes for 2022 and beyond. Okay, this is my normal pinned ad. As you can see, I've pinned all my headlines in logical order. And then I go ahead and normally I just scroll through and see what shows up to make sure it looks good to me. But apparently Google Ads doesn't want this anymore, so whatever. Also, I have, of course, my favorite description, and then is pinned in the first position. Then the next description is pinned in the second position. So this would be the normal pinned ad. Also, they've made another change to keywords. In the unpinned ad, I have broad match keywords, long tail broad match keywords. These are multiple word keywords. And apparently this is something else Google Ads likes, is they like long tail keywords and broad match. So I picked some of my favorites here and made them broad match. The rest are either phrase match or exact match. And here again, anything that's 1 or 2 words, I usually make it an exact match. I try and figure out what Google Ads would do with that if that was a phrase. Okay, let's go to pinned. And here again, this is the classic pinned ad and I have no broad words here, no broad searches here or broad matches. So that's why I'm doing an A/B test between Slim T and Slim T Pinned, as well as some of my other ads are also being pinned and unpinned to see if this new Google thing is for real. Okay. Okay, like I said, you're probably used to doing the pinned ads like I am. If you've never tried unpinned, do an A/B test. Just don't go right into unpinned. I don't recommend that. Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown, and that's 12-minute affiliate system, and you can find his link below. The best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training program, and you can find his link below. I'm also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, and his forte is business to business software, and that's a really advanced training system there. I'm also partnered with the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, as well as all the others I've mentioned. And Anthony has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2, $1 million words to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos in the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Crestani, Devin Brown, Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued marketing success.